If you're looking for online legal services, you may just be in the right place. If that sounds like a convenience for you, then you may want to check out Rocket Lawyer. Rocket Lawyer has online legal services with a ton of features that can be advantageous to you. So, without further ado, let's check out exactly what it is and why you should be using it. So, of course, let's address the very first thing here. What is Rocket Lawyer? It is an online platform that provides legal services and resources to both individuals and businesses. Rocket Lawyer was founded in 2008, and its mission was to simplify the legal process and empower people to handle their legal needs effectively and efficiently. So with Rocket Lawyer, you can create legal documents, you can access legal advice, and you can get help from attorneys, all from the comfort of your home. If you are looking for the most convenient legal services, Rocket Lawyer is the place to be. Let's dive a little bit deeper into one or two of their features. So it offers a variety of different things to meet different legal needs. First of all, you get the document creation. This allows you to easily create a wide range of legal documents, from contracts and agreements to wills and powers of attorney, using the customizable templates. You also get legal advice, which allows you access to licensed attorneys for legal advice through a subscription service, ensuring you have professional guidance when you need it most. Also, you get business formation services, which allows you to start your business by filing the necessary paperwork, including LLC and corporation formation, with a step-by-step assistant with you. You get e-signature capabilities. Bonus, you can sign and send documents securely online, making the processes within your business faster and more efficient. And then you also get a ton of legal resources in their Legal Resource Center, which allows you to explore a library of articles and resources that can help you understand more legal topics and navigate your options, rather than just receiving advice and going with the only option available. Now, of course, every software has drawbacks, so we have to discuss that if you want to make an informed decision. So while the subscription models offer access to legal advice, the monthly fee can be a bit of a barrier for those who need occasional assistance. So if you're looking for one-time assistance, maybe this is not the option for you. You also get limited scope of services, which means Rocket Lawyer may not cover more complex legal issues that require more in-person consultations or more specialized legal expertise. Bit of a drawback. Also, the quality of the legal advice can vary depending on the attorney that you are connected with through the platform, which may affect your overall experience. However, don't let this hold you back. Rocket Lawyer is still a fantastic platform. It's lovely software, and it really is powerful if you're looking for legal services. So in conclusion, Rocket Lawyer is fantastic. It's got lovely features. It does, of course, have one or two drawbacks, but at the end of the day, you need to balance this off with your needs and make sure that you're making a decision based on what these balance out as. Now, if you enjoyed this video, you can go ahead to show your support, drop us a like and share it with a friend. Whoever needs legal advice, spread the word, and we'll see you in another awesome video.